Hello students, myself Manpreet Singh, and today we are going to start our first topic, narration. Narration. So, narration is made of narrate word, which means to describe anything to the listeners or others. Now we are discussing about the types of narration. The first is direct speech and the second indirect speech. Now, what is direct speech? Direct speech means thoughts or words of a speaker reads to the audience. And what is indirect? The thoughts of speaker which are described by audience to others is called indirect speech. Now we are discussing about direct speech. Let's see what is direct. Direct speech, as I explained to you that what is direct, and now what are the types of a direct speech. Let's see. The first type of direct speech is a reporting verb. Reporting verb. As I can say that reporting verb is the part of direct speech which shows the indication form. And how to indicate it? It shows that Ram says to Sham. This part is called reporting verb. It means Ram who indicates to Sham that who say and whom to say. So reporting verb is the outer part of inverted comma. It also contains the main verb, and that's why it is called reporting verb. Now the second part of direct speech is reported speech. This part is written in inverted comma, and it shows that what says by the speaker to the listener. For example, Ram says to Sham, he is a good boy. The second part is reported speech. As I said, that reported speech is the main statement of the speaker, and it is written into the inverted comma. Now let's see about the more examples of reporting verb or reported speech. Another example which can describe us what is reporting verb and what is reported speech. Let's see. Ram said, I am fine. These two parts, reported speech and reporting verb, is called direct speech. I already told you that Ram said it is a reporting verb. It shows the indication form. Indication means who indicates to whom. It means who said or to whom. And reported speech is the part, what is the statement of a speaker. Whenever we convert direct speech into indirect, then we must know that how to change. Let's see. Ram said. Ram said, I written as it is. Why? Because whenever we need to change said, we must need an object after the said in reporting verb. And now we have not any object after the said in reporting verb, so we cannot change the said. The next part is whenever we changes direct speech into indirect, we changes inverted comma into that. Why? Because that here uses as a conjunction part, because reporting verb or reported speech are combined in a sentence, and the word which combined them is called conjunction. Now let's see. The I is a subjective form, or I can say first person, and we must know that first person always changes according to reporting verb subject. Okay. Now let's see. I changes according to the subject of reporting verb. So whenever we written here, we need to change I according to the subject of reporting verb, and we must use of a pronoun if we have a noun as a name of a person. And later on we will change the tense of direct speech, or I can say the part of direct speech, into past, because this is in present tense, and present always changes into past according to the rule. So here we change he was fine. That's it.